Hey guys, I'm back and I'm gonna be because like I said it's Labor Day and I'm super excited. I cannot explain how excited I am. But I'm gonna be doing my makeup today and I got some goodies along, so um I'm gonna be doing some like I don't really know yet what type of makeup because I'm experimenting with the makeup and stuff like that. So, guys, bear with me. And I'm not much of I do my eyes and my lips. That's about it. But before I do that, I always like when it comes to me doing the little makeup and stuff. I start from top to bottom. So I don't like when the door is open. I want to close the door. But cause I don't know, something about when the door is open, I feel like I'm one with my subscribers or with anybody watching my channel, so I get a chance to speak directly to you. So when the door is open, it sounds like I'm speaking to, I don't know, I just want to close the door because I feel like I'm speaking personally to that person. But yeah, I like to work from top to bottom. So what I do is I do my eyebrows first. I'm gonna just look at the mirror because I could get a better view of, and I use the little comb. I couldn't find like my little tiny scissors that it came in the pack with, but I like to comb my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are really thick. I don't really do too much shaping and molding with my eyebrows, the hairs. I just kind of cut off the little curls because when it curls. I have, as you can see, my hair pattern is like a extremely thick curl and a kinky type of curl. Okay, duh. But and I'm not gonna moisturize my face today because since I'm going out and it's pretty hot, is not gonna my face is gonna my face automatically gets oily. It's really oily. Yeah, so I just comb my hairs up a little bit and I'm gonna just cut. Guys, if you're doing this, like, please be careful cutting your eyebrows, because me and my sister, when I was younger, we experimented together on like makeup and stuff like that. My mom bought us some makeup for Christmas, and so we decided to experiment with some makeup and stuff, and I ended up cutting my sister's eyebrows, so she was walking around with one eyebrow. And you know, when went to do my makeup, I kept making sure that she don't do the same thing to me because she thought I did it on spite, and I didn't. So she ended up cutting my eyebrow. So, and I was so mad. I was so pissed because I had to go to school like that. Like, I had to walk around. Me and her both had to walk around and me and her are really close. So we had to walk. We already looked like twins. So we had to walk around with one eyebrow. Yeah, my mother beat our ass. She beat our ass real good. But just make sure you cut your hairs, cause you just follow the when you comb it up, you could kind of see that line right there. Just follow that, cause once you comb it, you're gonna see all of those hairs, kind of like following a guide. Like when you cut in hair for my stylist, you just follow your guide. And you know what? I woke up today and I was so happy. I was happy ever since yesterday because I knew Labor Day was coming up. So I was just so happy. I didn't know what to do with myself. So this morning I just woke up with a good spirit, and my energy levels was just high. You know, my energy levels was high. And I wanna since I'm here now. I mean, I woke up and prayed and stuff like that. But I want to pray, and not pray, but like speak to God also, and just let Him know what a wonderful, wonderful Father He is. You know, and I continuously ask, and for any of those who are lost in this world, because sometimes you tend to shift and you get lost. And so for any of those watching my video, I want to encourage you that He's amazing. You know, He's amazing. I can't describe the things that He's brought me from, and you know, where He's taken me. I can't describe where He's taken me, and honestly, I don't know where He's taken me. But He said, don't question Him. You know, don't question Him. And I used to question and ask, where you know, why this, why that, until I got to the point where like I just stopped asking where on the path that He's taking me. All you can do is, like, if you see that you're going down a path of destruction, all you could do is make a detour. And He also says, when you fall, He teach you. He could do two things: teach you how to fly or catch you when you fall. So with that being said, yeah, I want to thank Him for, you know, His wisdom, for giving me wisdom and knowledge, and continuously blessing me, continuously blessing those connected to me, continue to bless, you know, those, my family, other families that's out in this world. And it's Labor Day, so people are walking around drunk. You know, bless those that are drunk. Bless those, you know, make sure everybody gets to their destinations and home safe and sound. So, in Jesus Christ's name, amen. But, yeah, like I said, you just comb your hairs up. And like I said, I love my eyebrows. I just love my eyebrows. I love my hair. I love my eyebrows. I love everything. And I want to encourage, you know, those out there, like, love who you are. If God made for you to have big titties and a big butt, you know, embrace it. Embrace it, because I'm going to tell you a story. Well, I told y'all enough stories. I could talk. I tell you, I get that from my mother. I could talk. But I'm sure y'all, if y'all willing to listen, then I don't mind talking. But it's so crazy because I went into a store. I have no money, so I went into a store, and I asked one of the managers in the store. I'm like, I think it was a Home Depot or something. I forgot which store, but I had on some like heels, some wedge heels, and my damn, this video is like 8 minutes, but I'm not gonna speed it up today because I want to take my time and really speak to my crowd, you know. But I get nervous every time because I'm not used to doing videos. So once I get into like the groove of doing videos and stuff, then I guess that nervousness will go away. But other than that, and then I kind of like tweeze the excess hair. So I'm gonna just tweeze like little hairs poking off. Yeah, but anyway, the soles of my shoe was coming off. So I didn't want to be walking around like no duck. You know, I wanted to get some glue and glue my shoes back, you know. So I was mad. Like when I went inside I think it was a Home Depot, I asked to speak to the manager, and I was asking the manager, I'm sure it's Home Depot, so I'm sure you got some glue somewhere sitting around in the back, you know, that I could use just a little bit to glue my shoes, because my shoes was like that. So I wanted to glue them closed. And She was like, no, but you could purchase a glue. And I told her, I said, well, I don't got no money, and I don't want to be walking around because I had to go to a meeting, a important meeting. So I'm like, I don't want to be walking around with my shoes, messed up. So when she told me no, I didn't show that I was mad, but deep down I was a little mad because I'm like, damn, like a little bit of glue, you can't give me a little bit of glue, really. So I gets on the bus. Yeah, I was taking the bus. So what? But I get on the bus, and I'm like, I felt this is what made, God speaks to you throughout your day, and I felt so humble because I saw a lady with no shoes on. Like, she literally ain't have no shoes on her feet. And I was like, you know what? I regret getting mad and I regret getting angry. Don't get me wrong. You supposed to want something, if your heart desires a want, you're supposed to want. As natural beings, we are supposed to want, or when we're supposed to need, So I was just like, you know what? I tell you, I regret getting mad because this lady, I'm sitting up here complaining about not having no glue for my shoes, and this lady sitting up here, she ain't got no shoes on. I felt like giving her my shoes because I had a whole bunch of other shoes at home, but they just so happened to break when I was outside. But yeah, that's when you realize the humbleness. You gotta learn how to humble yourself sometimes. And I know I ain't make it to the top yet, because normally when people be like, oh, humble yourself. My motto, I feel like, how you gonna humble yourself if you haven't made it to the top yet? You gotta make it to the top before you can humble yourself. But in the same time, on your way to the top, God sends you through things where that makes you humble. So when you do get to the top, you know how to remain humble. I tweeze my eyebrows. Like, I like tweezing them versus like waxing them, because waxing, I used to go to beauty school, and waxing them shows, yeah. I might just make this video a double video, a part two. This is probably going to be my part one, and I'll probably make it a part two because I'm already 13 minutes in this video, and I don't want to make it long, boring, and tiring and stuff, like, So, yeah, this one is probably going to just be my eyebrows. But, yeah. When you make it to the top, you gotta humble yourself, I guess, and that's fine. But in the same time, I just did I just did my eyebrows like a week, and I like waxing them. I would like tweezing them versus waxing them, because I did my research, and waxing makes over time, as you get older, it makes your eyelids sag. So, yeah. And when I was in beauty school, I used to wax them a lot, so I don't really care for the wax. Tweezing it takes a while for them to grow back, but for some reason, I got like that wild grow hair, because these joints be growing back like a week later. That's why I was saying the what you call them, you know, just clean it up a little bit. And even though it don't look like a drastic change, it is a drastic change, because once you look in the sink, you could pretty much see that. And I grow a lot, like a little small unibrow. Sometime I used to take the barber clippers, and kind of like shape my eyebrows so it got that nice arch. But I stopped doing that because I realized I used to be cutting my hairs off, so I stopped doing that. I have to like focus when I'm doing my eyebrows. Yeah, but yeah, I just like tweezing them. I like tweezing them a lot versus waxing them, because these things, you get to cut them, then you got all these little hairs, and it's so aggravating to see, like, you know, especially when it's growing back, you got that stubble up here, and it looks terrible. You gotta really dig in and try to like pluck that little tiny black hair that's poking out. But this is the before of my eyebrow, and this is the after. I'm already a couple minutes in this video, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other eyebrow off camera, and I'll be back with my makeup. Bye.